Neuron Data, a leading vendor of software development tools, is located in Palo Alto, California, the home of Stanford University. While Stanford graduates smart people, Neuron Data makes tools for building smarter applications and for building more intelligent applications. They are in the very competitive software development industry and have carved a substantial niche for themselves. Established in 1985, Neuron Data has developed two complementary products, Nexpert Object and Open Interface. Alan Rappaport, President and Chief Scientist, describes the industry need for tools such as these.
I think as much as the 60s and the 70s were led by the hardware industry, maybe in the 80s we saw an important emergence of software in driving the computer business. I think now the business, and this is the business we are in, is tools. And tools is what allows people fundamentally to bring their computer infrastructure in relation with their business. I think a fundamental use of the tools we provide is to bring the computing power to really serve the business, because business now evolves very fast.
Neuron Data's flagship product, Nexpert Object, is an expert systems development tool. With expert systems, knowledge from experienced personnel is captured in software programs and made available to others so that good business decisions can be made with that expert experience. These systems appear in a wide variety of industries such as airlines, finance, manufacturing, and real estate. Nexpert Object, with an installed base of more than 12,000, leads the pack. Through careful market analysis, Neuron Data determined that their customers did not want exotic technology. Patrick Perez, Chairman and CEO, understands the needs of the marketplace.
The business has become more real time, means you have to answer fast and response in manufacturing, finance, or shipping department, or even the service department, to any challenge. So all this means that all the organizations are to be much more dynamic in their environment, sharing data, sharing information, and the ultimate is to share the knowledge they have about how to cope with certain problems. People didn't need artificial intelligence. They needed smarter system on top of existing information technology. So that's why, in a way, we are a provider of tools to build smarter applications for those organizations.
Today, Nexpert Object is a well-established development tool which many businesses, such as American Airlines, use for a competitive edge in developing their knowledge-based expert systems. Lyndon Tennyson of American Airlines tells why they used Neuron Data to optimize their load planning process.
That at the time we began the project, and still, they were one of the leading vendors in this marketplace, in the AI community, one of the leading few. And we felt like they had significant market presence. They were going to be around for the duration.
Americans' use of Nexpert Object for load planning has resulted in an additional 300 flights per day due to increased efficiency. Nexpert Object features a user-friendly graphic interface, a powerful rule editor, and an inference engine. Knowledge is applied by processing the rules, which are all interconnected. The rule network shows how they relate one to another. Nexpert can be used as a browsing tool to see that many rules can lead to the same conclusion. The system describes the logic very quickly, and the entire body of knowledge can be seen either two-dimensionally or through the graphic capability as an aerial three-dimensional view. Each of the colors represent the knowledge as true or false, so that conclusions can be tracked to determine the flow of information. 3M Corporation used Nexpert Object to develop SelectPro, a selection system software package. Finding the right product combination for each 3M customer is critical, and Nexpert Object is at the heart of SelectPro's success. The application has been so well received internally that 3M has recently commercialized it. As Neuron Data engineers worked to perfect Nexpert Object for various platforms, they recognized a business and market need for a software tool to port applications from one platform, like Macintosh, to others like Microsoft Windows, Motif, or OpenLook. This is a process which can take up to 70% of a software developer's time. Earlier this year, Neuron Data introduced Open Interface, a graphical user interface development tool, a tool for building applications smarter.
It's a very important concept here because it is traditionally very difficult, one, to develop the graphical user interface, and now we provide a fully graphic environment to do this. And second, of course, to port to different platforms.
Open Interface is a tool that lets software developers design a graphical user interface once and then recompile it in multiple windowing environments. Open Interface contains an open editor and a set of libraries for each environment. Creating applications is relatively easy. Make a window, add some widgets, define a table as a spreadsheet using lots of rows and columns. This could be a nightmare for a programmer to code, but not so with Open Interface. Run the application, edit the text, and save the result. It doesn't happen this fast normally, but is certainly faster than writing C code. And Open Interface has the capability